Today, we're comparing two leading point-of-sale systems, Shopify POS and Toast. Both platforms offer robust features to help businesses streamline operations. However, choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. In this comparison, we'll examine several key areas to help you make an informed decision. Shopify POS offers seamless integration with Shopify's e-commerce platform, making it ideal for businesses that operate both online and offline. Features include inventory management, customer profiles, and analytics. On the other hand, Toast is designed specifically for the restaurant industry, offering tableside ordering, menu management, and kitchen display system capabilities. Both systems have unique features catered to their target markets. In terms of pricing, Shopify POS has a more flexible approach. It offers multiple plans starting at $29 per month, scaling up based on your needs. Toast, however, requires a quote-based pricing system, which can be less transparent. It's important to note that both systems may have additional costs for hardware, add-ons, and payment processing. Shopify POS boasts a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, making it suitable for businesses with limited tech experience. Toast, while slightly more complex due to its comprehensive restaurant features, also offers an intuitive design. Both platforms provide a smooth user experience, but Shopify POS might be easier for beginners. Both Shopify POS and Toast offer a range of integrations. Shopify POS integrates with all Shopify apps, which means access to over 3,200 apps to customize your system. Toast offers fewer integrations but covers essential restaurant operations like reservation, delivery, and payroll systems. Depending on your needs, the number of available integrations could be a deciding factor. Performance-wise, both Shopify POS and Toast are reliable and offer good speed. In terms of security, both systems comply with PCI standards, providing secure transactions. However, Shopify POS has an edge with its Level 1 PCI compliance, the highest level of data security. Shopify POS offers 24/7 customer support and a comprehensive knowledge base for self-help. Toast offers similar support, but only during business hours. In terms of scalability, Shopify POS has an advantage due to its tiered pricing plans, which allow businesses to upgrade as they grow. Based on our comparison, Shopify POS comes out on top. It offers more flexibility with pricing, has a simpler user interface, provides more integrations, and has superior scalability. However, Toast's industry-specific features make it a strong contender for restaurants. As always, the best choice depends on your specific business needs. Thank you for watching this comparison of Shopify POS and Toast. We hope it helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. See you in the next one.